Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the navigation bar in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Facebook app. And here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on the little cog. And then if you scroll down, under preferences, we find navigation bar. Then at the top, we tap on customize the bar. And here we have different kinds of possibilities to customize it. For example, here are some available shortcuts. For example, this is the groups, and we can pin it. So it's going to remain in our navigation bar at the top, or we can just set it to auto, and it's going to just switch places. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.